Hello friends, how are you today? I am going to show how to make mechanical drawing in SOLIDWORKS 2025. This video for mechanical engineering student. I am going to show four picture and four sketches. Now go to select new plane and select part and select OK. Now go to select front plane and sketch. Now draw the line horizontally and vertically, horizontally and vertically, horizontally and vertically and horizontally and vertically. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. This line dimension 72 and this line dimension 8 and this line distance 8 and this line dimension 26. Okay, this point control this point horizontal. Now this line and this line distance 72. Okay, now go to feature and select extrude. Now extrude from 30 from mid plane. Okay, now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the line here, select. Now this line dimension 48 and this point and this line dimension 8. Okay, now go to feature and select rib. Now give the value here 4 from mid plane. Okay. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the value circle 19. Below. Now select. Now this circle below 20. This point and this point distance 19. Select. This point control this point horizontal. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now this line extrude from blind 19. This line below 10. As you wish, I am going to 10. Okay. Now this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Give the value circle 12 and feature and select extrude cut. Now here cut extrude thorough. Now go to isometric view. Now make our job. Now I am going to again new plane and part and select OK. Now I am going to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin, horizontal and vertical, horizontal, vertical and horizontal and vertical. Select. Now go to dimension. This line dimension. This line dimension 35 and this line dimension, this line and this line dimension 40 and this line dimension 66 and this line dimension delete this line. Now select here and here and here. Select. Now just move this line and select here. This line dimension, sorry, this line and this line distance 40. Delete this dimension, just move here. This point and this line distance 40. Okay. This line and this line distance 8. This line and this line distance 8. And this line and this line distance 8. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Extrude from mid plane. Now here give the value 30. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the value this point and this line distance 25. Now give the circle value 22. Select this point, control this point, vertical. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now give the value from blind, give the value 12. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle from circle point, give the value 14. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Okay. Now go to again new page and select part and select OK. Now go to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin. Okay, select. Now go to Smart Dimension. This line dimension 29 and this line distance 47. Okay, sorry. This line and this line 29. Okay, this line and this line distance 10. This line dimension 25. Select. Now just move here. This line and this line distance 14. Okay. Now this line dimension 18. This line and this line distance 64. Okay. Sixty-four. Select. Now just move here. Need here dimension. Now I am going to check all dimension. 25, 10, 29, 47, 14, 65. Okay. Now this line dimension 5. 5 or 4 as you wish. 4. 5. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Go to feature and select extrude. Now here select contour. Select here. Now delete the thin feature. Now here have any sorry. This point and this point connect. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Extrude from mid plane. Now give the value here 40. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to select this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the value circle 26. And this point and this point distance 34. 34. Now I am going to select here shaded. This line and this point distance 34. Okay. Now I am going to select circle below. circle below 15. Select. Now this point, go to normal tool. This point, control this point, vertical. Now go to isometric view. Now here give the value 25. Okay. Now go to feature and select here shaded. Feature extrude curve. Okay. Now I am going to here check sketch all dimension below. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Now I am going to another sketch draw. I am going to draw slowly for if you want to easily learn this job. Now I am going to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin. Okay, select. Now go to smart dimension. This line dimension 44 and this line dimension 28. Okay. Now this line dimension 8 and this line distance 8. Okay, select. Now this line dimension 48. Okay, select. This point control this point horizontal. Now go to feature and select extrude. Extrude from mid plane 34. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the circle below 24. This circle below 24. This point and this point distance 20. Select. This point control this point vertical. Now go to feature and select extrude from blind 13. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Now give the circle below 14. Now go to feature and extrude card up to next. Okay. Now go to front plane and reference geometry plane. Select here. Okay. Now go to select mirror. Mirror select and feature to mirror here select extrude and extrude cut. Okay. Now go to isometric view. I am going to hide this plane. Okay, make our job. Thank you all, everyone. Share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.